Welcome all. This is our lecture 18 and the today's topic is collaborative family law. The collaborative family law, also known as collaborative law, it's also in process of ADR that say that you can settle your dispute without going to court. And this collaborative family law will lie in case of divorce or when the two parties here the parties will be spouses, that is husband and wife. Okay, these are the two parties which try to settle their issues. Okay, so let's start our today's session, that is collaborative family law. As we are all seeing nowadays that the husband anytime as he don't get hot meal, hot food, then the dispute will came, and if this would happen daily and daily and by months, then the spouses try to go for divorce. So this family law will help or settle the disputes among the spouses. So let's start our topic. Collaborative family law gives divorcing couples. Divorcing couple means which seeking to take divorce. Okay. It's a way to end their marriage respectfully without going to court. Because the process of the court, as we all know, is lengthy, hectic. Okay. And there is no guarantee for any judgment within a time frame. Okay. There is no fixed time frame for any decision. That could be any 6 months, 1 year, 10 years, 20 years. There is no limit. Okay. But in this process, the support, guidance, and production of their own specially trained lawyers will be provided. If either spouse decided to go to court, both spouses must hire new lawyers. It means in this process, there are some specially trained lawyers which will deal both the spouses and try to settle the issues. What is the matter by which they are going for a divorce? They will listen the issues and provide a better solution. This motivates everyone involved to continue working towards a mutually agreeable resolution. This can provide some decisions that are not feasible in the court. So there is a flexibility of decisions in this. Collaborative family law may also involve other professionals. It means in this matter, if there is a need of any professional like any secretarist, any doctor, any other professionals, they can be hired. Okay. Here is a condition that collaborative family law may not be appropriate for couples with a history of fear or a fear of domestic violence. In the case of domestic violence, this is not appropriate. Okay. Or in a condition where one spouse cannot locate the other. It means both the spouses cannot sit with their lawyers. So it is necessary for this process, both the spouses must be present with the tribunal with their lawyers at a place. Okay. And the collaborative family law is voluntary. This means that you and your partner have to agree to the process. You are not forced. They should be agree to this process. You cannot be forced to use it. As I told you, collaborative family lawyers have especially trained in using a cooperative way to get partners to agree, focusing on solutions that consider both partners' interests and needs, supporting partners to speak openly and honestly with each other. The main problem in the divorcing couples is that the lack of communication. Then this forum will provide both of them a forum to speak what are the issues and speak out about them, making sure that partners have all the financial documents and informations they need to make informed decisions. That you must have some documents or every documents, every necessary things which are necessary to take decision. Collaborative family lawyers also agree in writing not to go to court. As a result, they are committed to helping you reach a settlement. If you will go to court, then there is no meaning of this process and you must hire the different lawyers. If you and your partner agreed on how to resolve your issues, your collaborative lawyers draft a separation agreement. Okay, lawyers can prepare the separation document, separation agreement also if both the partners are agree or they are not accepting the decision. Now this is the process by which any matter of divorce will be settled. This process is, as in some cases couples terminating their marriages are dealing with immediate issues, and in some cases there is a luxury of focusing on more long-term issues. Generally speaking, the process involves the following. Now this is the process. The first step is exploring and understanding your interest, concerns, and your spouse's interest and concerns. It means you will provide your interest, your spouses will provide your interest, what the parties want. The second one is gathering all necessary information to make good decisions. Full disclosure is essential. It means they will get all the information to make a decision. The third one is understanding the values of what has been disclosed. This may mean retaining neutral appraisers, business valuation, etc. They will valuation all the properties and matters. The fourth one is understanding the nature of the assets and liabilities. This is also a different type of information that deal with the financial issues. Where the parties agree, it would be helpful involving mental health professionals or others. The next one is generating options. And the last one is choosing from those options. It means the lawyers will provide the spouses some options, and now it's up to them what options they are choosing. This is the total process of collaborative law. Okay. Prepare your notes and understand this topic clearly.